Okay, something a little bit different today on the channel. Last summer when I went on a camping trip for the weekend on the bike, my heat grips decided they wanted to catch on fire. Now I didn't have them on or anything. I just turned the ignition on one point just to charge my phone up, and smoke started coming out the handlebars. So I thought I'd check it out today, and it turns out the wire here has frayed and has been touching each other. So what we're going to do, we're going to see if we can repair it. It does still work, well, I say it still works, so I did plug it back in and it did come on, and then it moved and shorted again and smoked again. So I'm going to see if we can repair it. What we have to do is get these off and see if we can open it up and get inside of it. Okay. So nothing is available on this side. See if we can open up this side. Go, we'll get in there. Probably would have been easier with some heat, but you live and learn. There we go. Not pretty, but we can sand that edge down and use some silicone bit there. So there's the 3 wires, so we can unsolder them like so. That should be okay there. Okay, it looks like it actually goes through there. Let's see if I can prise the board out gently. Aha, yes I can. Which is good, which means then I can cut through them like so. Right, okay, obviously I'm going to have to seal this up. Make it remotely waterproof again. Obviously this is pretty much a hack job, but obviously they're not made to be repaired. But these are £30 just for the controllers. And this is the second one I've had failed, and that one that couldn't be repaired very well. solder on there. Last one. It's red, black and white. Black's in the middle. Red, black, white. Should do. Solder the holes up, clean the holes. Spray a bit more. IPA over it. There we go. That is clean. Now do the wires. And they are absolutely lovely on the back there. Through. Looks okay. What I'm going to do is blob some hot glue in there. I'm going to get it clean on that side though, to make sure there's no touching of anything on there, which it shouldn't be. Looks okay to me. What I'll do is get the meter out. Put it on continuity mode. To make sure there is no shorts between them both, or any of them. Good. Yep, that looks okay. I'm just going to put my glue gun in to warm up, and then we can seal this back up. A little bit in the bottom there, and around the wires there. Wait for that to cool. Right, let's go and test this on the bike. So we're at the bike. Let's just plug it in. Just one from there. Find the right key. They are starting to get nice and toasty. And off. So a couple of these LEDs don't work, but that's not a big deal. I have them 100% most of the time. So yeah, so all I need to do now is put a bit of sealant around this to seal it up. Say a bit of sealant around it to seal it up, make it waterproof. I'm now back on the bike, but I have to do the steering head bearings first before I do that, so this has all got to come off. So once that's done, job's jobbed.